we are unboxing our cars named Hot Wheels.
Hi, my name is Joe and you're watching Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. I created this channel because my mom cooks superbly awesome foods and she didn't even take any cooking lessons. And my subscribers want my mom to teach them cooking lessons, but my one doesn't have that much time. Then I got an idea. I asked my mom if I can take a video of her cooking and she said yes, and that's how my channel started. With Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs, I want to spread the love for food and so that you know dinner is settled. And so you and your family can enjoy a happy life with tasty food. You will enjoy restaurant-style quality foods if you follow these tips and tricks all through the video. Don't miss them. Click on Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs every Friday for easy, simple, and tasty foods to your kitchen and boost your cooking levels. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the videos that I make from Joe's Kitchen and Vlogs. Hi. Today we're going to buy my little brother some toys. We're going to buy him a Hot Wheels car because he likes Hot Wheels cars and he likes just to play with them. So we're going to the shop right now. We're going down the highway and we're going to stop soon. So there's a lot of traffic today. There's a lot of people. This is around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. There's a lot of people in this time because they're coming back from school or they're coming back from work. Today there's not that much people because there's no school today and work today, so it's just them just looking for shops to shop at. And we are going to the shop where he buys the Hot Wheels toys. If you look to your left, you can see that no one's going that way and there's no way to go that way. So now we're going straight. We're going beside the other bridge and we're gonna stop here. We're gonna keep on going straight. And here there's a secret way you can go. It's not secret, but there's a way you can go. And here we are. We're just gonna check. No one's here. Okay. Now we're going to the shop. We're taking the left right here. And we got oh yeah. Lucky. We're so lucky. A guy just took out his car. Now we're going to the shop. There's the elevator. Now we're here. Now we're going to the elevator. This is the coolest elevator. There's glass and you can see through. So cool. It's an amazing ride. It's only like a couple of seconds, but it's really good. Now we're going to the shop. It's up here.
We are unboxing our cars named Hot Wheels, and they got numbers 5, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So we are unboxing it today. We buy it from Kmart, and it's so cool. We just buy it, and we got one Hot Wheels track to race.
This is the Hot Wheels X Racers.
Yeah.
The Racers is spelled actually kind of weird. It's spelled like RAYCERS, which is weird because you can see through them. They're made out like see-through plastic, and you can see through the cars. Now we're gonna unbox this.
Yeah, I'm gonna unbox it.
Ooh, uh-oh, the cars fell down. Okay, so this is number 1.
This is number 1. No, number 2.
Number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So these are the cars. This one's name is Salt Shaker.
This one's name is Crescendo.
This one's name is Rising Heat. This one's name is Dirty Outlaw. And this one's name is So I'm gonna pick 2 cars and Joshua can pick 3 cars.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pick the Salt Shaker and the Crescendo. This is my team.
I'm picking this car, my favorite one,
Dirty Outlaw.
the Dirty Outlaw, the heat thingy.
The X Steam and the Rising Heat.
Yeah, let's race.
So here we've got 2 tracks.
Yeah, let's.
And I'm gonna put my first car, which is gonna be Crescendo.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I lost. Oh, come on. That's his victory pose.
The next car is gonna be for my team is Quick Tire.
I'm gonna still use Crescendo because Let's go Dirty Outlaw, not Quick Tire. Okay, I'm gonna use 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Let's try again.
We're unboxing our cars named Hot Wheels. Oh yeah, baby, let's go.
And now I'm gonna use my number 1 car, the number 1 car,
Oh, yeah?
Salt Shaker, and it's gonna win for sure this time.
Okay, I'm gonna.
If you think I'm gonna win this one, let us know down in the comments. Okay, 3, 2. What? I lost. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Oh, Joshua won. He just went just a little farther.
Yeah, like I was like this much high.
Okay, let's have another race.
Yeah.
Oh no, my one fell down.
I'm gonna change my car into this car.
The Dirty Outlaw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dirty Outlaw.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
I win! Yay!
Yeah, that just no. We are like both in like here. No,
But I got the boost. I'm gonna switch up my car to Salt Shaker
Why?
because it's cool and it's really aerodynamic.
Haha.
Fine, Rising Heat. No, your hand. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Yes, I knew it.
I want to switch back to Crescendo.
Crescendo?
Yep.
Mud Monster.
3, 2, 1. He calls it Mud Monster.
Oh yeah, let's do this, baby.
I'm gonna battle you with the monster truck.
No, don't battle.
I'm gonna battle him with a monster truck, guys. I'm gonna win for sure.
No, you don't.
Yes, I am.
I'm gonna be all the cars.
Oh, come on.
You don't have the car.
Fine. I'm gonna win anyway. No track. No track.
Joe, do it. Joe. Joe, I get a boost.
3, 2, 1. Of course I would win.
Yo.
This is Salt Shaker. It's got twin turbo engine and it's based off of a real car that can go up to 100 miles per hour, approximately 300 kilometers per hour. It has got a really red color and its wheels are golden, which makes it. This is Rising Heat. Rising Heat is a blue car and it's got a spoiler at the back and it's got something in the front. I don't know what it's called, but it's got really cool wheels and it's got 3 lights at the top. This is Dirty Outlaw. It's like a buggy racer and it's really cool. This side has a bigger thing than the other side and it's got green wheels that have circles on them. Oh, it's moving. This is X Steam. It's the number 5 racer car and it's black. It's got red tires.
We're unboxing our cars named Hot Wheels.